Hey, I'm Ryan. This is how I'm landing freelance dev clients without cold pitching. I start here in the Meta ad library. I just browse ads from small businesses. Camp Verde is a town, it's about an hour north of Phoenix, and these are the first things that pop up. Cool thing about Meta ad library is these people have a budget for ads. They have a budget for marketing, they have a budget for their site, and that means they probably have a budget for you. The other cool thing is most of these platforms are all, they're serving ads on mobile. Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, Threads, mobile platforms primarily. And the other cool thing for us is most devs do their mobile development as kind of an afterthought, and we get to take advantage of that because we get to go find some bugs, tell some people about it, and let's go. So this first one we're looking at, Verde Ranch RV storage. We have it up over here. And the first thing I like to look at are these silly AI chats. And here is why. Most of them are just dropped in here and have lots of issues. You'll notice we can't close this. This is a classic iOS gotcha, iOS Safari CSS issue gotcha. If you know about VH versus SVH versus DVH, you know what's happening here. But this URL bar at the bottom, the vertical layout is set to the viewport height. And the viewport height changes when this, or it doesn't change when this URL is here or not. iOS expects you, or VH is this height here. You can use SVH or DVH, whatever, but while this is active and people see this when they first hit the site, this is what they see. So this thing is right where their thumb is, and if they accidentally click it, they can't get off it unless they know to scroll the other way. I could see it being very plausible that a user hits this site, they accidentally tap that, and now they're stuck here forever. If you scroll down, you can close it, but let's look at something else. We want our dev tools here. So the other problem with this is taking up the bottom third of the screen with a click target for, I'm guessing, this text box here. So we can't click anywhere in here. And so let's pretend we're a user. We come here and we're searching through their site. They see, okay, cool, a $99 unit. That looks great. Let's try and open that. Or let's try and open this 150. We can't. Let's open the 99. Okay, scroll down. Great. Let's call them. You can't. That click target is blocking it. If they move up, they can hit it. These aren't like the biggest issues. Sometimes you'll see a lot worse issues, but this is just, the first one in the list here. So, I record a video, it's exactly like this one, but they're the target audience, not you. I talk about what I'm seeing, what I'd fix, what I would do differently, and tell them I think, I put this together. I think there's an opportunity to get better ROI on your ads. I'd love to talk about what that could look like, no obligations, kind of at the end of the video. And then send them a link. I really like using Messenger. These people have a publicly registered business. Their address is public. They have public phone numbers. They have a public email. All of that stuff is scrapable and automatable, but sending someone a video on Messenger, like personalized, isn't. So this is kind of what I'm having success with lately. The message in Messenger says, hey, I found some issues with your site. I thought you want to know about it. Here's a quick video of what I'm seeing with a link to the video. They're probably going to click it. They're probably going to watch that video. And, I've had much better response rates with this than anything else I've tried. So I built this app that I'm recording this with. It's called ShipClip. I made it for exactly this workflow. You just record what you want to record, do some light styling, trim some stuff out as if you want, and then export it to a link. Then you can send it to them, and that's it.